We're making Hershey's Cupcakes today with just a rice cooker. Today we're cooking in Mabini. Don't mind the noise in the background. Tito Dudes, Sheila's father, this is my girlfriend Shiela. Her father is building a new house and he's hired someone to make a few doors for him. This is our location here in the island of Bohol, here in the province in Mabini. Get your ingredients ready if you want to follow along. We are going to have 1 egg, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, fresh or evaporated, 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar, 1/4 cup of cooking oil, a pinch of salt, a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Lastly, don't forget 1 Hershey bar, and it's melted because we don't have a freezer or a fridge, and you can use melted chocolate as well, or you can use any chocolate of your choice.
So first is 1 egg. I'm gonna crack it here. And then 3/4 cup of sugar. Then mix, mix, mix.
We don't have a whisk, so we're using a rice scooper. And keep whisking until it looks like that.
The next is milk. How many cups of milk?
Next, we're putting 1/4 tablespoon of vinegar.
Next is 1/4 cup of cooking oil.
We keep this in a old Mountain Dew can or bottle.
Mix, 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 mix.
So we bought these ingredients the other day when we were in Dubai. We went Christmas shopping, and when we were driving by the 7-Eleven, we picked up some snacks and a Hershey. Titania here, over the past like 3-4 days, has not given up on asking if she can eat the Hershey's bar every single day. But today's the day, so she's really excited.
You're excited, yeah? To eat this cupcake?
And she was at school the other day. Shiela dropped her off, and before she left, the first thing Titania did was run up to her as she was leaving and said, "Titas," which Tita is auntie here. This is Sheila's niece. She says, "Titas, make sure you don't make the cupcakes without me." So we waited till she was done with school today to do this.
So next is pinch of salt. Then 1 cup of all-purpose flour.
If you don't know, Shiela and I were living in the city for about half a year, almost a year. And we've just moved here to the province with her family. And that's why we're doing our cooking here.
Then baking powder, 1/2 tablespoon. Oh no, yeah, tablespoon.
Now we liked the city quite a bit, actually. There's tons of different restaurants to try out there. There's always something to do, but it's just different than here in the province. Here in the province, it's more, I guess, family oriented. All of our activities revolve around hanging out with Sheila's parents, her niece, her brother, and it's a lot more social.
Then the last one is 1/4 cup of cocoa powder.
After you add your 1/4 cocoa powder, go ahead and mix that.
Mix, mix, mix. Guys, sorry, it's so messy. And for the record, this is my first time baking something. So I'm not really familiar about this.
Now it's starting to turn into some cupcake batter. I have Titania taste test for us.
Yeah, you do it like this.
Is it good? Let me try some. I'll try it. It's good. It's very rich. I like that. Nice and sweet. I agree, Nya.
Okay.
You got thumb up.
So we have a molder here. I don't know if this is for cupcakes. So we're just gonna try this one because we don't have another molder.
We're gonna take some oil here and spread it on the cupcake molds. We don't have any paper towels, so we're gonna use some tissue paper and just spread it with that. What do you think about being back here in the province compared to Cebu?
It's fresh here. It's quiet. And then I have my niece. So I'm gonna put maybe only gamay.
Pretty much just fill it up to about what you want to. We're doing about halfway, a little over halfway in these molds. We're gonna head to the rice cooker now to start the steaming.
Isa, again, get the other one.
All right, I'm coming. First, you gotta add water to your rice cooker. Sheila, what are you doing now?
So I'm gonna put a towel here,
Why?
and then so that it because the moist. I don't know.
We don't know why we're doing this, but we're doing it because it needs to be done. You have to put a towel over the cupcakes for moisture purposes.
We were gonna steam this for the first 6 minutes, and then we were gonna check after. So it's already 6 minutes, guys. So let's check. So it's not yet going.
Not quite there yet, so 6 minutes is not enough. We'll let you know how much time is actually needed.
Wow. Ow.
Oop, yeah.
You stinker. You
You
It's
good?
good.
Yeah, they're done.
Yay.
So that batch took like 15 to 18 minutes.
Wow. One ko isabi. 2, 3. 4.
Turned out terrible. Okay, so here's the thing, guys. We oiled these, and we're gonna be straight up with you. We must have done something wrong. I don't think we used enough oil because I just pulled one out and it was stuck to the container. We have a lot of practice to do still, so that didn't work out. But it is what it is. It's gonna taste the same. Whatever. Huh, try some. Robert? Okay, so the cupcakes are finished. It took longer than expected. We'd probably recommend that you heat your rice cooker up first, and then maybe it'll be around that 6 to 10 minute range for them to get done. That amount of batter made us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 cupcakes out of that. And we're gonna top them with some Hershey's melted chocolate. Because it's melted, we decided to make this more of like an icing. So we'll put that on here. Hi. That's Tatay Nido. That's Tito Dude, Sheila's father's brother. So we're gonna put our icing on in no particular order. You can do this however you want. You can put all your icing on one cupcake. You can spread them throughout, whatever. It depends on how selfish you might feel. We're just gonna kind of try to glaze it a little bit on all of them. Not perfect, but it is what it is. Now that we got the frosting on, let's give these a shot. We'll give Nya one. Here, Nya.
No, this
Me,
No, I don't like that one. I just
and then Tita's. Cheers.
one.
Is it a mint?
Yeah.
Like it? Thumb up? It's good. We may have overcooked them a little bit. They're not the most moist, and they're not the most aesthetically pleasing. That being said, we're gonna make some adjustments next time we make them. Either way, they taste really good.
Thanks for watching.
I want. This is mine, huh?
Yeah, you can have that.
I'll give Kuya Dudong dito.
Ayaw ng chocolate, ha?